Hello friends, today we shall discuss about number of images found by two plane mirrors. For that what you need is two plane mirrors. Here you see, this is a plane mirror strip. This is also a plane mirror strip. This is pen. This is glass stirrer. This is one prism. This is candle. This is a matchbox, right? With the help of these materials, we can find the number of images found by two plane mirrors at different angles, right? First of all, you see, we have drawn the angles here. One is 60 degree. First one is 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. See here, this is 120 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 60 degree and this is 45 degree. With these angles, we saw how many images are found by two plane mirrors with the given angles. Let us find. First of all, we'll find the angle between two mirrors as 90 degree, right? Here you see 90 degree. Here you see, this is 90 degree, right? Now you put one plane mirrors at this point, right? And one plane mirror here at 90 degree. Here you see, the angle between the two plane mirror is exactly 90 degree, right? Exactly 90 degree. Now I will show you how many images are formed when an object is placed in between these two plane mirrors, right? Let us take one object. Suppose I am taking this pen and putting this pen between the two mirrors and you see how many images are formed. Here you see, when the plane mirrors are at 90 degree, three images are found. 1, 2, 3, right? If for plane, you see there are three images found. 1, 2, and 3. Let us take another object, that is a candle. And you see in that case also, there are three images found. Here see, this is 1, 2, and 3. You see, there are three images. Let us take another, that is a matchbox. Here you see, in this case also, you see, there are three images formed. 1, 2, and 3. Here you see, this one is one image. This one is one image, second image, third image, right? Now, you see, in case of matchbox also, you will find that there are three images formed when the angle between the mirrors is 90 degree, right? Let us take another object, that is if we take a candle, let us find. Here also you see there are three images formed with this candle, right? If we take another way, that is a prism, here you see. In case of prism also, there are three images found, 1, 2, and 3, right? That means when the angle between the two mirrors is exactly 90 degree, the images formed is 3, right? Now if we change the angle between the mirrors, what will happen? Let's see. We find that in all the cases, the angle between the images found in these two cases, in the case when the angle between the mirror is 90 degree, the number of images is 3. Now if we change the angle, suppose we change the angle to 120 degree. Let us find. You see, this is 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree. See, this angle is 120. Let us put these mirrors at 120 degree. then what happens? You see, this is exactly 120 degree, right? You see, the angle between the two mirrors is exactly 120. See here, this is 120 degree. Now we'll see how many images are formed with 120 degree. Let us take one object and see how many images are formed with angle between the mirrors is 120 degree. Let us take, suppose I am taking this matchbox. Here you see, only there are two images formed in the case of matchbox, right? Again, let us take another pen. You see, in the case of pen also, we are getting two images only. Let us take another, that is candle. Here you see, candle. Here also you see that only there are two images in case of candle when the angle between the mirror is 120 degree. If we take a glass stirrer, then here also you can see that there is only two images, right? Now, if we take a prism, here is a prism. In this case also you see there are only two images of this prism. That is, we come to the conclusion that when the angle between the two plane mirrors is 120 degree, the number of images formed is 2, right? Now let us change the angle. Now if we change the angle to 60 degree, let us change the angle to 60 degree.